This is CDX Technologies, and we're going to take a look at how you can use an online tool for getting demographics data for up to 20,000 zip codes at a time. No software installation is required. It can be used in multiple environments such as PC, Mac, and Linux, and you can preview the output before you buy. Just go to the cdxtech.com website, and from the Tools menu, select Process Your List, then Zip Code Demographics Batch Report. From here, you can upload the file that contains your zip code list. Files can be in either CSV or Microsoft Excel format. You can click on the link here for formatting instructions for the file. For instance, if you're using an Excel file, as shown here, zip codes should be listed in column A, with no heading, and no other data in the worksheet. If the file contains multiple sheets, only data from the first sheet is used. Here's an example of a CSV file with one zip code per line. Regardless of the file type, zip codes can be in either 5-digit or zip+4 format. Let's go back to the website, and from here we can upload an Excel zip code file. We immediately see a preview of the return data for the first few zip codes. Data includes population by gender and race, median age, household numbers, size and income, housing value, business data, latitude and longitude, and city, county, state, and congressional district. You can click on the link here for a full listing of return data fields and their definitions. Here is what the full output looks like. The output is provided in a CSV file, which can then be opened in Excel or other spreadsheet software. To obtain the complete output for all zip codes, click on Buy Now to go through the purchasing process. Cost is 1 cent per zip code, or you can use a CDX Streamer account for reduced pricing. For more information, go to the CDX Streamer product page and click on Pricing. If we go back to the online tool, you can download a free Excel template that can also be used for getting demographics for a list of zip codes. It returns the same data as the online tool, and it automatically creates graphs of the return data. Examples here cover general demographics such as population and age, population based on gender, population by race, income, and housing distribution. This is a great way of visualizing the data for all listed zip codes. If you need zip code demographics for a specified radius area, or for a given city, county, or state, check out our other online tools available from the website. Thanks for watching this video from CDX Technologies.